Hey everyone, welcome back! If you're new here, we explore the strangest, most mind-bending corners of the universe using Claymation-style visual bringing the cosmos to life, frame by frame. If you love deep space mysteries and creative storytelling, hit that subscribe button and stick around. We've got something truly insane to dive into today, beyond human wealth.
If you could somehow harvest just a single handful of dirt from this planet, you would hold more wealth than the entire combined GDP of Earth for the next 10 million years. Floating 40 light-years away in the constellation Cancer lies 55 Cancri E, a world twice the size of Earth, made almost entirely of pure compressed diamond. Worth an estimated $26 nonillion, it is the ultimate cosmic treasure chest. But this is not a sparkling paradise. It is a hellscape of molten lava, suffocating cyanide, and temperatures hot enough to melt steel. What is this place? How did a planet of pure diamond form? And what horrifying fate awaits anyone bold enough to step foot on it? Welcome to 55 Cancri E, a world where fortune and fire collide.
Born in darkness.
To understand how a planet becomes a diamond, we have to look back billions of years to the birth of its star system. Most planets, like Earth, were born from protoplanetary disks rich in oxygen and silicon. That's why Earth's crust is dominated by rocks, sand, and water. But 55 Cancri E was born in an alien environment, suffocated by carbon. When this protoplanetary cloud collapsed, carbon became the primary building block. Under normal conditions, carbon forms graphite, the soft, dark material inside your pencil. But 55 Cancri E was not a normal planet. It was squeezed by extreme gravitational forces and baked by a scorching host star. Under this heat and pressure, the carbon atoms rearranged themselves into a crystalline lattice. Behold the birth of a diamond world, a planet made of carbon, gold, and crystal.
The cosmic force.
Deep within the cosmos lies 55 Cancri E, a world where the laws of physics are pushed to the absolute breaking point. Let's look inside. Beneath a crust of black graphite lies a secret, a mantle made of solid, sparkling diamond, thousands of miles thick. Deep inside, the pressure reaches tens of millions of atmospheres, forcing carbon atoms into an impenetrable crystal lattice. This isn't just a planet, it's a cosmic pressure cooker orbiting dangerously close to its host star, 55 Cancri A. It's so close that a whole year passes in just 18 hours. But there's a catch. The planet is tidally locked. One side is trapped in eternal darkness, while the other is a furnace of endless scorching heat. On the day side, temperatures soar to 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt the very ground beneath you. The surface dissolves into continuous, terrifying oceans of liquid carbon lava, swirling in a hellish dance. Between the crushing pressure of the interior and the thermal hell of the surface, this diamond world is a beautiful nightmare. Welcome to 55 Cancri E, a place where the extreme physics of the universe turn common carbon into a priceless, burning jewel.
Landing in hell.
What if we actually sent a human mission to land on this world? Let's run a 24-hour survival simulation. Hour 1. Your spacecraft enters the atmosphere. Standard shields are useless. You need advanced carbon composites just to survive entry. You target the Terminator zone, the thin line dividing the boiling day side from the freezing night side. Hour 6. You step outside. The ground is a jagged landscape of raw diamond crystals mixed with black graphite dust. Walking feels like stepping on crushed glass. The gravity is double Earth's, making your body feel twice as heavy. The heat from the planet's core is relentless. Beneath your boots, the ground is so hot the clay begins to soften and melt. Hour 12. The atmosphere begins its attack. The air is saturated with hydrogen cyanide and toxic rainfalls. This isn't water, but liquid silicates that slowly corrode raw metal and your protective suit. Hour 18. As the planet rotates, the temperature swings. The heat of the day meets the freezing winds of the night in a violent storm. Hour 24. simulation ends. On this world, survival isn't just difficult, it's a race against planetary chemistry.
The dark side.
Think the heat on 55 Cancri E is bad? Wait until you cross over to the night side. In this eternal shadow, the atmosphere doesn't just get cold, it freezes solid. Without a sun to warm it, temperatures here plunge to a bone-chilling -300 degrees. But it's not water that's falling from these black clouds, it's raining diamonds. The high carbon content in the air crystallizes, creating a diamond snow blizzard. Meet our clay astronaut. To them, this isn't a beautiful winter wonderland, it's a death trap. These microscopic diamond crystals are as sharp as glass and harder than steel. Blown by supersonic winds, they act like high-speed sandpaper, stripping equipment to the bone. Beneath the storm lie lakes of solid carbon, a dark mirror of the hellish heat on the other side. 55 Cancri E, a world where you're either burning in lava or being shredded by diamonds.
Destroying world economy.
Imagine a planet made entirely of diamond. It sounds like the ultimate gold mine, but it's actually a cosmic engineering nightmare. To get the treasure, we need tools stronger than the planet itself. But how do you mine diamond when diamond is the hardest material known? Standard drills would simply melt or shatter instantly. The friction and pressure are just too much for human tech. But let's assume we succeed. We build a super drill and start hauling trillions of tons of diamonds back to Earth. Space trucks arrive in fleets, dumping mountains of sparkling gems onto our planet, a literal rain of riches. But this is where the paradox begins. Economy 101 tells us that value is driven by one thing: scarcity. If diamonds become as common as gravel, the global market doesn't just dip, it vanishes overnight. The world's most prestigious jewelry stores would go bankrupt, their inventory suddenly worth less than the glass display cases. We would end up using them to pave our roads or fill our driveways. The ultimate luxury becomes a common utility. In the end, the richest planet in the universe would render its own treasure completely worthless. The diamond paradox is complete.
A living nightmare.
Deep in the silent cosmos, the James Webb Space Telescope has just uncovered a world that defies logic. Meet 55 Cancri E, a super-Earth so close to its star that its surface is a permanent, glowing wound. JWST pointed its golden eyes toward this hellscape and detected something shocking: a thick, heavy atmosphere. This isn't a dead rock. It's a dynamic world where the ground itself is a global ocean of bubbling lava. The heat is so intense that the lava evaporates, breathing toxic carbon gas into the sky. Then those gases cool and condense, falling back to the surface as a terrifying rain of liquid rock. This planet is a living hell, a cosmic engine that continuously melts and rebuilds itself in an endless cycle. Under the crushing pressure of this atmosphere, the planet's carbon crust might even be forming layers of solid diamond. From fire to gas to gems, 55 Cancri E is one of the most extreme discoveries in the history of astronomy. As JWST peers deeper into the dark, it proves the universe is stranger than we ever imagined. What's next?
Untouchable cosmic treasure.
55 Cancri E remains one of the most mesmerizing yet hostile worlds ever discovered. A planet worth $26 nonillion that no human can ever touch. If you had the chance to visit this planet for 5 minutes, would you take the risk? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this Claymation deep dive, leave a like and subscribe for more journeys into the extreme corners of our universe.